My elevator pitch is building back better, because that's what we're doing. We're building things, rebuilding, making them better. I teach them the fundamentals of how engines work, and we disassemble engines, assemble them, and get them to run. The students are preparing for their job, future, and life by learning the skills in my class, the names of tools. So when they're out in the real world, they sound like they're educated and they know what they're doing. These skills translate into the workforce. So when they get a job, they know how to use a tool, what the tool is called, but also the procedures. Some of these skills is learning how to diagnose and troubleshoot engines and other power equipment. And some of the academic certifications ultimately is ASE certification in the automotive industry. That's the capstone. When you learn how to operate, diagnose small engines, those skills translate to other engines. In our area, children start mowing the grass. Well, you have that small engine. Well, the basic fundamentals of that small engine translates into recreational vehicles like motorcycles, quads, UTVs. If you could work on one small engine, the skills translate to the other engines. They're just a little bit bigger, but troubleshooting skills are the same. Students, if you want to learn about small engines and how to get them going, talk to your counselor or come see me.
This video is made possible by funding from the Strong Workforce Program and the Imperial County Office of Education, where we empower our community to be an ideal place to live, learn, and work.